Welcome to Grable Studios. I'm Eddie Grable. So if you watched last week's video, I proposed a challenge to Adam Calhoun, and he didn't accept my challenge, obviously. I didn't expect him to, but Kalani on the beat, Kalani, one of Upchurch's music producers, informed me that Upchurch and Adam have squashed their beef and they performed on stage. Since they've squashed their beef, I've decided to give Adam a pass for not accepting my challenge, and we can squash our beef. We never had any beef. I don't even know the man, but like, he seems like a really cool guy. He's hot-headed, and he likes to fight, so I figured, why not? And the offer is still out there if he wants to fight me. Maybe Adam Calhoun can be like the next Dana White. We can start like a Redneck fight club. Something to think about, you know. He's an entrepreneurial type spirit, and I'm always coming up with ideas on how to make more money. So, what do you say? Redneck fight club. We can make this happen. And it's mano y mano type things that people really like to watch, a Gladiator type thing.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you were here?
Where they get in a cage, you know? And if you get a big enough roster, then we can start like taking these redneck fight club people and going up against UFC people, maybe, you know? Kalani, thank you for responding and letting me know that they squashed their beef. I appreciate it. You're always really good at responding on Instagram, and I, for one, really appreciate that because it shows us fans you care about what you do and about the fans, you know? You're a stand-up guy, and I really appreciate it. Redneck Fight Club, something to think about. Adam Calhoun, Upchurch, do it for America.
Second time doing this. Last time I did this, you also got it on video. Keep up the good work, Ernie. So, they just made an announcement. We got beef storm biscuits upstairs. I was just letting people know they just made an announcement. They got beef storm biscuits upstairs. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna use this fork here.
Or make it slow down.
Yes, you're gonna need one. Let's eat it with that biscuit, yeah. Dip it in there.
Not using the fork, Rami. I'm using a plastic spoon instead.
I'm surprised.
Maybe I should just get a couple potatoes or something with it.
Just eat with it and put it right back in.
Well, I can clean it off. A little bit. I haven't officially washed it with soap and water, but I wipe it down. I rinse it with water, but...
I ran to get a water in there right there.
Are they?
They're right here, you want one?
Yeah, I'll take one. See? Boom, clean. Field clean. I walk around with like a fork in my vest when I was over in Iraq or whatever. Chow is continuous.
Yeah. Always gotta eat when you can.
Feels like that here too. I don't want to stop to eat.
Did he?
Now, I don't know if this happened to you, but when we were deployed,
Yeah, we're probably going to read
I think it was Kurdistan,
they were still hot.
the lady that was in charge of the chow hall.
Yeah.
She had all these, it was Thanksgiving, she had all these beautiful turkeys set out on the outside and all that kind of stuff. And they had all the locals come and babies, so they had this big photo shoot and talking. Then they took all the turkeys and everything back to the back and gave us the canned turkey stuff.
Nuh-uh.
I'm serious. They fed the local locals.
Really? All the holidays I ever had overseas, they really roll out the red carpets for us, and
Not this lady.
it seems like in the Marine Corps we get steak and lobster a lot on holidays. This time of the year, yeah, you're getting steak and lobster.
Wow.
For the Marine Corps birthday, for Thanksgiving. On top of that, you get turkey on Thanksgiving. Christmas.
Now, when I was at Bagram, they had good food.
What was it? I think TQ in Iraq. They had the best chow hall I'd ever seen there.
It's TQ.
It's Takadum. It's a place called Takadum in Iraq, and it was, I think, DFAC 3. This thing is as big as like 500 yards, like 5 football fields. Just as far as you can see, pretty much. Chairs and tables, and then there's like buffets set up with like everything. They had a line set up where you could go get grilled cheese sandwiches. I go there a lot and get like fresh made grilled cheese. They had imitation crab on the salad bar there. That was really good. And on the Saturdays, they would do steak and lobster.
That's what our tax dollars are going towards.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
Don't ask me how they get it over there either. That's where your tax dollars are going too, the fuel to get it all over there.
Well, that I'm okay with, but steak and lobster.
And then when we're in country,
Especially every Saturday.
you got these big
this is the Marine
containers.
Corps. I didn't get a steak
Yeah.
and lobster.
And your containers full of wood out there, that's what we had for freezers, so those are constantly running off of fuel.
So you'll support, you'll support veterans in general, but not steak and lobster.
Yeah.
Not steak and lobster every Saturday. Come on.
That's just for the
Maybe
people.
on New Year's.
That's just
something
for,
like
that was at one chow hall in TQ in Iraq. It's like when you're going home or coming into the country, that's where you stay for about 2 weeks.
Once you run into a combat zone and then, you know, MREs, man. You were-
Oh, we were eating MREs for lunch every meal, so there's that too.
MREs aren't that bad.
They're expensive too, though.
They are. They're really not that bad. There's some that suck, but there's some that are like.
The beef stew MRE is really good.
The tuna one is literally just star-kissed tuna.
Yeah. They started getting fancy there toward the end before I got out. They had like sloppy joes and chicken fajita.
Yo, Luke was never in the military. He's just incredibly lazy. So that's where that came from.
No, I came across a pallet of MREs in a weird situation, so I ate them for a while.
Yeah.
You bought a house and they came with the house.
Yeah.
When I first joined the service, we had MREs that were left over from Vietnam. And it was like, these were not great ones. No.
They were still feeding them to you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Ugh.
When the Ukrainians retook their land, they found the Russian MREs from 1983. They were eaten.
That's the year I was born.
4 years old.
Still good.
I'm glad that bit about being baby was great.
Calories and calories.
Meal ready to eat. It's attractive.
They come with like a heater. You just pour water in, and then it heats up really hot.
Dude, I took all
Heats up the food in the packet. You eat it out of the packet. It's horrible. And it gives you constipation.
Oh yeah. It comes with like cheese and bread that's incredibly hard and stale tasting, or crackers and peanut butter.
And if you're lucky enough to get a chocolate bar and peanut butter, you got it made.
Yeah. You ain't shitting right for a week.
Yes.
It's so quiet in here, I can hear Arami. I'm gonna add in some sound effects there. It's gonna be super cool.
That is a box.
There's a pain in the butt for this too. Oh, Zachary. He's upstairs. Zachary.
Zachary. C-H and he's K.
Zach, I've been editing you in my videos as Zach Attack. Zach Attack.
I've been called that for a long time, so
Nothing new.
Spot on that, huh?
yeah, that's my grandmother used to call me when I was little.
So this is 316. So as long as I add, and then it says, like I said.
Let's go see what these guys are over here doing. You alright?
Yeah. Well, with my hand, so it was soft.
A little softer. I don't know if I caught that or not.
Did you see what happened?
Did it break?
Yeah, let's show Eddie.
You don't want to take a picture.
Oh, where's the other part?
It's not pretty, Steve?
I didn't know how it's supposed to be done. Here's one idea. I put it in there. Go ahead.
Okay.
It'd be nice if we had some leverage, wouldn't it? Leverage. Jeez.
Need a pry bar.
Go ahead, big man.
Just keep using wedges, just regular wedges.
The hammer.
Back inside to see what everyone else is doing. Excellent! Adam Calhoun, Upchurch, do it for America.